Hello guys, it's Alan22849 and I've got a little pack opening for yous today. I'm just going to show yous my squad quickly. In goals, Pepe Reina. Left back, Evra. Two centre backs, Terry, Ferdinand. Right back, Ashley Cole. Right mid, I've got 86 Mata. It's two centre mids of Yaya Toure, David Silva. Left mid, Gareth Bale. Centre forward, Van Persie and 84 Ba, who I would recommend to anybody. Great player. So if we just go back, as I said, I was doing a small pack opening. Go back onto store and we'll go to our gold packs. Got some Microsoft points today, so see how they goes. I did open some packs earlier, but not very good at all. So as you can see, I've only got 660 Microsoft points left. So let's see what we get in this pack then. And it's downloaded. Who do we get? Best player is Crouch. Peter Crouch. Big, tall, lanky genius. What else do we get here? Hargreaves, Crouch, Tulan, Fabio. I think I got him earlier as well. So, not a great start to be honest. Put these two into the trade pile. Trade pile here. And I'm just going to put these into the trade pile. Put this into my consumables. Apply to. Who do you think should apply it to? Go with the Beast, David Silva. Not really worth anything keeping there. Right, that gets me to 77,000 coins. Next pack. Hopefully I get somebody better here. Confirm purchase. As you can see, I'm running out of Microsoft points and I've not had anybody in my pack so far. I was quite lucky. A couple of months ago I managed to get Robin in a pack. Sold him for 215k. Best player I've had in a pack ever. And I get... I'm not even trying to pronounce his name. But Brad Friedel in there as well. And the 84. Joan Motano. Put him to trade pile. Huth to trade pile as well. Watching my friend's video earlier, he got Huth as well, so subscribe to Mikey 97 Mikey 1897 and watch all of his great videos. He just done a pack opening earlier as well and managed to get upgraded Collins, the silver player. Sold him for 30k. Decent price. Just discard the rest of these. I think this is going to be my last pack, is it? Don't know how much Microsoft points. Hopefully this is a lucky pack here. Confirm purchase. Oh no, that's bad. Need to get one of these. Oh, nervy times. It's been poor 2,100 Microsoft points. Not had anybody over 84 apart from that Joan Moutinho, which isn't really going to go for anything. So, very poor indeed. And he gets Barry. Gareth Barry, centre defensive mid. No. Centre defensive mid in a 4-3-3 formation. Why do they do that? Jack Queen, 4-3-3 as well. And D'Alessandro, is it? Let's have a look at his stats. Good dribbling. Not the best player, but I'll keep him. Put him up for sale. And the Newcastle strip. Put this up for sale. Get some stuff for healing. And the Newcastle strip. I like that. I have to say I've got it already. Like that kit. Like it very much. Not really a Newcastle fan. More of a Rangers fan, but I like to consider myself liking Newcastle because they're not in administration. Just discard the rest of this rubbish. You can see I've only got 60 Microsoft points left, so I'm gonna have a look at some silver packs here. I'll go with this one. Hopefully I can sneak an upgraded silver player. That'd be nice. Right. Flavan, weird name. So, what is this name? Flavan, weird name. Absolutely terrible as well. I'll keep him. Pacey, rare silver. It'd go well in the trade pile. Save that, healing, get quite a lot. Nice kits, but nothing as per usual. 81k. If I probably sold my team, probably get about 200k. So leave a comment on what you think I should do with my 200k. Right, thank you for watching, guys.